Welcome back to Acid Hot. For those who start with us for this program, when I go see say the thing they come up plenty fire. We they talk and say as the only people when no they fear to discuss the all issues when they affect us inside of Nigeria. We go continue to they carry this topic they drop and down. We go through our phone lines open, make yourself chook mouth for inside this matter. Remember, say we get phone lines plenty. We even get toll-free line when we say, you go call, you go talk. The full Nigeria go hear you, but now we go they pay. We still get Oga Jermaine Sanwo-Olu, our Ogbonge visitor, business analyst and social commentator, and we dey discuss the proposed 4.7 billion naira. When we say they talk, say our senators, they won't use carry by exotic cars.
Oga Jermaine, I beg, make I ask this question. Okay, you know, say we they talk about this thing before. Before as we go break, I be raise them up. Okay, we get senators we say they don't serve, they don't qualify to come back for house.
Yes.
We also get senators who don't come back, and a lot of these senators. Where senators who say they give them cards when they be senators that time. Yeah. And normally cards, all these cards they give them are official cards. Where we say now all these same high level of outlisted features where they talk say the cards go carry. Now that same card get. Okay. First way we say they give you official card. For instance, if I say, okay, Chukudi, I'll give you official card now, for instance, and you can't use that.
You give me official card.
An example.
Don't use example.
I can't say, okay,
don't give me what you know if you give me. Don't give me what you know if you give me.
Chukudi use the official card finish. When we say, suppose hand them over to me when they come in, and you can't carry the motor, waka. Is it appropriate? Then, this is not be excessive spending. Where we not say yes. We supposed balance issues. Yes. We supposed balance things here. We supposed get something like continuation in the system. But this is more like, okay, do your own, let me do your own, which is not about governance. Now, where then do we find the balance?
The question now say, she na government property, she na personal property.
Thank you.
You know, now the question we have to ask, and that's why we need to change all this our law and our processes and system for these institutions. Because if not, people go that office, think say, now they are right to chop and go. Now, some of these cars, that specification, if it last 10 years, as Buhari talk, but why they go, because what didn't happen before, we say, you go come, you go use your own car, maybe after, you go take the car, go house. Another person will come, use the car, go house. So people like say, I don't know, maybe they prepare their own retirement plan. Say when they leave office, they won't get this best car. But I believe if that's not, if the case be that, they need to change. They need to actually say that we're not going to do like this.
People like say we get caller. I bet who they call us? Good morning. Oga Solomon, good morning from Chicago.
Now Solomon, my brother, this topic, it is scatter head. It dey provoke. You just like say, normally you make 100,000 naira every month as salary. For some reason, your company can say they reduce your salary to 30,000 naira a month. Before when they make 100,000 naira, you see they go club, you see they flex. Now they can't reduce your salary to 30,000 naira. Yet you see they talk say you want to go to pump champagne for club. Next the situation when Nigeria.
Thank you.
Now all your revenue don't drop and it will continue to drop, and that's the only sort of revenue we get. So Nigerians, people don't get work. Even 18,000 naira, they not still pay. See, the system that the senators, many of them just come there because of the kind enjoyment when the thing get. And then where they need to scrap. They need to scrap so many things away. What thing happen to the other cars when they first get? They got past 4 years to go tender for them. Then when they won't come up for office, they will come sell and give them back again. It don't make sense. It don't provoke. The problem is in Nigerians, we sabi talk, but we want to back our talk with action. Those days when I back at the government, when this is a military government, students they riot, they protest. Today, students know they did protest. Listen, in a modern day democracy, now protest, not the message when people they understand. If say as Nigeria do so, the whole Lagos, everybody go Abuja, they protest, say enough. We cannot handle this. They should stop it. Abuja they protest, all the whole state they protest, the youth they protest, the senators will come down. But unfortunately, we just talk, no action.
Just allow the talk, waka like that.
And it's so sad. That's my contribution.
Oga Solomon, thank you
very much.
All the way from Chicago, you see they're very passionate about this country, and every time when you get the opportunity, you dey chook mouth to discuss this matter. We get Oga Blessing all the way from Satellite Town. Oga Blessing, good morning, Happy New Year, welcome to Acid Hot.
Good morning. Now, good morning for there.
Good morning, Oga Blessing.
I greet all of you now.
I greet you too.
Happy New Year to everybody there.
Happy New Year to you too.
You see, my one contribute for the matter when they grant.
Feel free.
You see our leaders. They know. I don't want to use some kind of words because I be on air.
I beg no use am.
So they not dey try at all. You get me? So most of these people when they this place, they now they be senators before now. Abi, most of them now governors for their various
states. Yes.
You dey tell me now say those people they don't get cars before. Now just last year, you dey tell me say those ex-senators when come back again they don't get cars.
Even though they used before
Are you getting me? Now before now, they don't get cars. One time they say before now say they don't get cars, so they fight for when they use that kind of money they fight for. Now what you they try to tell me be that one. Now your guys for their talk say if they carry that 4.7 billion naira, can they give our local industries, make they produce that car? You don't know say you go give our people work. Work in this country. You know how many people when they find work, when they no greasy work for this country? You dey get me? So now we talk about change. The only difference between this previous government and the other government, now because of that time now Jonathan, now Buhari, now the change be that one. You dey get me? So because I'm waiting they all those one they do, I those one save money. Now so this one say one start their own now. We dey call corruption, one fight corruption. What if you get what your guys stuff for the one not to like? You say we thank God say Buhari dey power. Now what if Buhari don't do for the past 7 months? Not the back of newspaper and
God bless you. Thank you very much for this important contribution.
I understand the angle you bring.
But you go good make we emphasize say what our visitor talk be say as we don't see change from waiting day before when plenty people from Nigeria talk say okay make we do this other way. Now something when we say we go there very very grateful for because the change no come with maybe plenty wahala and plenty people buy on top. We go collect this call from Oga Chukwudi all the way from Owerri. Oga Chukwudi, welcome to our City Hot.
Oga Chukwudi, good morning.
Right on.
All right. I think there is no big deal with somebody buying a car. But the question mark there is why exotic car?
Okay.
There's no then saying the fact that when you send somebody for a walk or an errand, you go give them tools. And part of the tools na car.
Okay.
Now, the question now is why exotic cars? You and I know that most of what we buy for Nigeria here are mostly Tokumbo cars, where we don't ride for 10, 15 years. We go see use them for another 8 years. We go make them now 15 years for one car. Now, these are our senators. The cars where they buy for their wives or their girlfriends, they use them for years. Now, when you say this one our government go buy, they will buy car every year. You see, this is part of the reason why we were able to save during the rainy days. These are our reckless spending. I was opportunity to travel one of the Asian countries some time ago, a country that has no single deposit of mineral, yet is one of the richest countries in Asia. Our people go there, make money, come back. Now, I was on a taxi going to a particular place. Beside me, a vehicle, about three cars now moved. The driver told me that this is the president of the country going. I was like, 3 cars following the president of the country. He said, there's no police, no truckload of army, no helicopter following him around. But you see, my brother, if you are preparing food for a blind man, you must be talking. If not, he will feel that you have finished the food. We have to be serious in this country. It's the high time we cut down. You can't tell us to tighten our bed. Okay, we are talking about this. Look at the budget for meal, for food in the presidency. Is it billions of naira? Kitchen, or what not? What are we talking about? If we should tighten our bed, everybody should tighten the same bed at the same time. Thank you and God bless you.
Thank you very much for this important contribution. You don't state and clearly say, as we dey government, make we dey consider the fact say the people that then suppose they benefit from am, make it not be like say now just for our own selfish reasons and our own private pockets. Oga Okechukwu, they call us all the way from Victoria Island. Oga Okechukwu, welcome to our City Hot.
Oga Chukwudi.
Good morning, Oga Okechukwu.
Hello, Oga Chukwudi.
Good morning, sir. Fire on.
And then Kubi.
Good morning.
The problem we get, nobody say they won't buy motor 4.7 billion. Problem for this country be say also they use governors too high. It's too high. Imagine government cost of just being leader. High pass waiting the budget for people who won't go to school and people who won't do other things. But if you single out just saying only motor, it will be like saying that motor be our problem. But motor not be maintained. We will look Burkina Faso before. If you remember Tom Sankara, when he did power, You just wake up one day, decide, say, we they use Mercedes, they drive motor for this our country. Move Banam, make everybody go, they drive Renault. No, be say Renault, no good, which Mercedes. But to reduce the cost of management and of governing their country, the man himself just climb bike, send a bike they use. Why would not do that same thing here? If you look countries like Switzerland now, wait for you to be member of parliament, you go get work where you they do. The day where they get meet, you go take permission from your HR, consider for member of parliament meeting. In that kind of place, cost of management, cost of governing the country, no high as it day here. So our own, I mean, will find way to reduce the cost. Because today now car we they talk about. Tomorrow you go here say they won't buy toilet roll for that place. The money will climb. You go here say a spoon. You go hear different other things. Because we don't talk about motor, But no, we will move the emphasis from what the main thing is supposed to be. The cost that they use governors for this country is
very,
higher
very
than
true.
what we are getting.
Exactly.
Okay, in fact,
you don't make very important
thank
points.
you very much for that
and we appreciate
contribution.
this talk when we say you don't talk. Make we carry and come back to Oga Jamin. You don't hear waiting a lot of our callers get to talk. Everybody, they talk about the fact, say, if we check them, say if everybody look the condition where Nigeria dey now, no be this kind amount we suppose they spend, say we won't even do something for government. We suppose they cut costs so that it could be very, very easy for everybody. And make we carry waiting this Oga Okay don't talk now. Oga Okay been talk about, say, we get situation when we say today now motor we talk about. Say some people want use 4.7 billion naira buy motor. Tomorrow if it be say maybe they will carry one kind of plenty money to say they want buy maybe toothpick or toilet roll. How you take things say for government? We will get situation when we say anybody when they come government will come with the mindset say okay now like this government they work no be office no be say you go just come just talk say shebi na so it happen before make we continue that way. How we go get system in place when everybody go know say as I dey come government even though I be person when we say I dey like to drive new motor I know say this particular motor na him I go dey drive and na like this e go be.
Well, you see, culture is something where we don't develop over time. You know, it's something where you go learn and something where you go see, you go hear, and it go become your own. And the culture where they don't take governance for all this while, no be one day person will just come change them.
Yes.
Now, why I talk say, as we get leader like President Buhari for office now, we say, we don't know say that man a person where they always do slim budget.
Very,
you
very
understand? Where they very, very prudent with funds and where they always, when they come into office, he cut his salary into two, he reduce them, the car where they give him, just say you know one. So we know that in culture be that.
Very true.
Now that can be the culture for the top.
Somebody they wait on top of the telephone line. When we collect this call from Ayomide, we will allow you complete this thing when you don't start. Ayomide from Aja, good morning and welcome to Aside Hot.
Good morning.
Good morning, Ayomide. Good morning. Try raise your voice more. Raise them up.
Jeremiah.
Well done, sir.
At the bedroom in our program very well.
Thank you very much.
Thank you very much.
The matter of what you are talking about the legislation. As in, I don't know. People are we are talking about change. And they want to use 7-point-something billion naira. 4.7 billion naira to buy cars. For what? Are they not using car before? The car that they are using personally, they can use that. And even they can buy Starbucks for them to be using. Yes.
Yeah.
Okay, Ayomide, this is your suggestion. Now, when went straight to the point. You don't talk, say, make they give them Starbucks. In fact, it go good, make they even give them uniform too. So that as they're inside the Starbucks, we're going to say, these now students of House of Senate, maybe secondary school or university.
Oga Jamin.
We get Oga Igo. Oga Igo, they call us from Abuja.
Yeah.
Oga Igo, welcome to Aside Hot.
Oga Igo, good morning.
Oga Shupudi, I greet you. Good morning.
Good morning, Oga Igo.
Now only be the man where we have couple United States flag on top. Oga Ukubi.
Good morning, Oga Igo.
Your suit now 4.7 billion. I can see that. Very fine. I will get to the studio. I greet you. That's the issue of today.
Okay.
I see say our senators they forget say IDPs they for Maiduguri. IDPs they for Yola. Minimum wage 18,000 whenever I increase them. But they won't buy car when it say AC day, 3 day, ATM day, hospital day inside. When they forget say people not have food there for them. They get me. If they continue like this, now they say the only change now when the day only for Buhari, not change day because they say a tree cannot make a forest. So now only very nice stand They said they stand on their own. Only Buhari now be changed now. Why the other? I don't say not only for Nigeria, a medical doctor go invest for policies because he go get money. Only for Nigeria. Yeah. When I hear 4.7 billion, even my pikin cry. Good night.
That money plenty. That money truly plenty.
Go ahead. Thank you very much. Let's say your line cut at that point. But Oga Jamin, you were talking about they talk about culture.
The culture.
Okay, but then if they look about culture, we're talking about culture. They look culture from one individual. Okay, make you also bear in mind say culture that they pass culture on to one person.
Yes.
Okay,
yes.
And that person will come in tomorrow making whole culture orientation different from waiting Oga Buhari. But then waiting one can talk about proper structure on ground. We get structure, but we need how it is if we take redefine our structure so that structure go fit your stand. Go fit redefine the system. Go fit get proper stand. Yeah. But before you go answer this question, may we collect this call from Oga Chadu. Chadu, they call us from Warri. Good morning, Chadu.
Morning.
Good morning.
Morning, Shukudi. Good morning.
Good morning, Oga Chadu.
Ukubi.
Good morning.
Good morning.
Good morning.
This matter, no be smart. Now they enjoying our program.
Thank you very much.
Thank you.
I beg. This 4.7 billion.
Yeah.
Now for motor.
Mm-hmm.
And people not get work for this country. You see, so to tell us other people who did that house, they be armed robber. Oh, not thief. They're not supposed to rule us. People not get work, they buy motor of how much. They not get motor before. May they use that before motor now. Or may they buy the bus. May they use that bus. All of them go enter that bus, they go that house. So now what I get to talk because this country, we don't know whether they go forward or they go backward because I think they see for that place.
Okay, Chadu, thank you very
much for your contribution. But what we go try emphasize now, say, the one when we say you can't talk, say, those people when they the house, we know say now your own opinion. But to come talk, say, to come use certain terms, qualify them, now something when we say, we no go accept. And everybody when they for house know, say, even though they talk I'm the only thing they hot, but we know, say, everybody get the right to express themselves, but we go there very, very careful. Make it not be like, say, person they use insult or person they talk with no good. Oga Joseph, they call us all the way from Germany. Oga Joseph, good morning and welcome to Acid the Hot.
Good morning.
Good morning, Oga Joseph.
Good morning.
Good morning.
Yeah, good morning, Oga Kubi and Chukudi.
Good morning, sir.
Yeah, Happy New Year.
We wish you same.
And good morning, our guest.
Oh, good morning, sir. Well done.
You see, last month when I called you people, I was telling you people about Nigeria of 170 million people still relying on oil, relying on mineral resources. Look at Saudi Arabia now. Saudi Arabia that is generating oil more than Nigeria. You see the problem they are having today? What is the population of Saudi Arabia? Now, their budget now, they have reduced it to 14%. We, Nigeria, of 170, all the whole thieves in National Assembly, all the whole thieves as governors, all the whole thieves as state assembly, they are all depending on only that oil. 4.7 billion for vehicle alone. In short, it's a disgrace for that country. It's a very big disgrace. 4.7 billion for only vehicle for members of National Assembly. Why there is no tablet in the hospital, medical equipment in the hospital. Teachers are not being paid salary. Doctors are not being paid salary. Minimum wage of 18,000. They are arguing about it. What kind of a country is that?
Well, Oga Joseph.
In short, by now they have started campaign of 2019. They have not done anything. Underground work of 2019 is going on. Please. They are not even listening to your program because they are all thieves.
Oga Joseph.
They are very angry.
I will not say they vex seriously, and thank you for your contribution. But in as much as they talk, say yes, this platform they give us room to talk. What is that mind? It gets some certain words or some certain references where we will need to at least they cautious of, where would they allow people they use. On this moment, maybe we do it. Maybe we quickly go for this break. When we come back, Oga Jamin go fit taking time address some of these things where our callers don't talk. We will not will take and move forward from there. We'll go for this break with the come.
Welcome back to As E Dey Hot. From here, where would they so now? Where will they see at the final bus stop of this show? And what will they discuss? When they come up, plenty smoke since we start by 10 o'clock. Will they discuss the proposed money when we say our senators, they won't carry by exotic cars? Plenty people don't come and come talk, say, this move, na very, very wrong one. Some other people, they talk, say, no be like say anything too wrong. Because people, when we say that they represent us, we go give them the things when go say, they go make them, they very, very comfortable. Our Ogbonge visitor, Oga Jermaine, some will do inside studio, and we discuss all the issues wey involve this matter. So, Oga Jermaine, we move on from here now.
Yes.
Now, as they take reports, they talk say they don't undertake the bidding process. And December 17th, people when we say when go fit supply the motor, no already start. And by the time when they go converge, they go reconvene this January, the motor go down day down. Now, Oga Presido been talking for the presidential chat, say he go use the power when he get to see, say, no be saying go force them, but make themselves reason now. Say if we check the way when this country dey and how things difficult, make we no just carry this money say na only motor we wan take and buy. If we go get ways when we say the ones wey people use before, e go dey okay, dem go manage am. No be say dem no go buy new one at all. How you take things say just from where you stand, you dey see any way forward? Because it just be like say one party promise us heaven on earth. E come be like say the same party, one man when we all respect, our father, they talk go away. Uncle them, they talk go another way.
See, this is where I go get issue with this guy. See, tell us say if you want to address this issue, address it like a Nigerian. Don't refer it to somebody. Which of my uncles there?
Now today,
are we related?
Now today you know say be Nigerian.
Are we related?
You know,
if you say Oga Mohammed Bari is our father, yeah, I go say Oga Mohammed is our father.
Are you
but those other people, they're not my uncles.
What do you take resemblance?
I don't know.
What do you take
because you
resemblance?
get the mindset.
Which mindset you not
That
get?
mindset of change.
Which mindset?
Please.
Change.
Please.
Change, man. Well, the family saying that change no be easy to.
Yes.
If they talk about the change and speak about the change, but these laws don't dig ground before you even come into office. You understand? And the system, that coach we talk about before, the system not there in place. We say, just under 7 months, he will come just change everything.
Of course, yes.
You understand? But I believe, say, Oga Buhari know, say, now in responsibility to ensure that this National Assembly, they don't discredit his own government. It's very, very important. So if you say, you go talk, say, I no get hand for this matter, or maybe the first thing I'm saying that if you talk, we feel impeach, we feel do whatever. But the fact be say, if he no stamp authority and let them know, say they need to adjust themselves, it go affect the mindset where people get of APC and that change agenda, and it go affect the direction where Nigeria they go. Because we don't tire to see this kind of spending up and down the place. We want some people go there transparent, where all our legislatures, because if you do it for National Assembly,
you go pause.
It's in the hot meal.
Pause. Make we collect this call from and Sonny. Sonny, they call us from Agege. Good morning, Sonny.
Good morning, my brother.
Good morning.
See, I want to give kudos to Oga Buhari, our president. So I believe that God will use him more. Because I imagine how could 12.7 for a luxury car. What is this, man?
Cars.
This thing happen. Why are we? Where are the people that we vote for? Where is the change? I know the only person that God is trying to use for us now is this Oga Buhari. And I pray the Lord God Almighty will give him the strength.
Amen.
Because I imagine, look at people out there looking for job, no even job, no work. Come on, 18,000 naira, they were arguing about it in the house. Jesus. Well, I just want to thank God because I believe God will use Oga Buhari. More change will come. No matter how they let them continue this, their plan, we are watching. We, the country, we are watching. Everywhere is on net now. We are seeing what is going on.
Oga Sonny, thank you very much for this your important contribution. Oga Jermaine, we go just allow you finish that thing when you been the talk. How we fit take get system when we say it go dey very, very easy for people to come into government, no come look say government na avenue for people to chop money.
Exactly. Government no be opportunity to enrich person self. Now opportunity to serve. You know, say I dey based for United Kingdom and they come here regularly. And even for there, you go see MP, member of parliament there. They go there inside train with you. They go there enter taxi with you. They go there live normal life. You know, even if they don't talk, say they be
members of parliament.
We don't go know at all. So now that kind of cultural change we need to adopt in this country. Say government officials, presidential positions no be place where person go to chop money. No. Person talk, one of the guests talk and say, it go be like, say, before you even get that appointment, it go be say you dey work proper job. You dey do things where they fetch you money.
Exactly.
So you go get your own money before you come into office.
Exactly.
Don't be say when you come into office, you come to collect our own money. Come up office.
Beyond them,
now cultural revolution we need in governance.
Beyond them, Oga Mohammed Buhari talking to members of the House, say, okay, I beg, make we reason this and see the challenges we will get, on the financial challenges we will get at the moment. Make Nafi do it and cut costs on this thing. Okay, it goes beyond this thing. Okay, if Oga Buhari, for instance, succeed in saying, okay, he don't convince our senators and say, okay, make them slash down this money. How far do we take it? Because you have to say don't succeed in that, but we need to also look beyond this one.
Yeah.
Subsequently, which kind of things we feel say they will put in ground so at least we not go feel they see this high cost of spending for a particular thing. Yeah. Because how do you think we feel take beyond just coming talking and we could just end that way? How?
It's very unfortunate, but the thing we say now they are right and they use their right. Now change can either come by reformation from top. When you for top, they change their mindset. That's why I say when they think by themselves, when president think by himself, or change will come by revolution from the bottom. You know, so now this one for the bottom, we no one see. You understand? Because if Nigerians vex, when they come, they say, what thing they happen? May we not change, you don't want change. You understand? They remove people from government, and I think we no one be that. Because we love President Muhammadu Buhari, we love the APC, the change agenda where they bring. Now we vote them into power, and we want them to effect that change where they promise. The change sweet us, but we won't see the change where they talk. So in that case now, we can start an ideological revolution from the ground. We say we go to think differently. When we see even our guys there, we see them when they drive big car. We don't go to hear them say, ranka de oga. We say we go to look at them and say, why you they drive this kind of car? We go to ask them question for vote. When we see them, don't be say we go to ask them for small thing. No. In fact, if they even give you money, you're not going to go collect. Say, where you get that money from? You understand? We will now start asking them. We will be asking them to be accountable, not only for that in their character, but also in their policies that they are passing.
Yes.
Because they meet with their constituencies. That's why I say that Nigerians, we need to get into this political thing. You understand?
Yes.
Actively. Either you join a political party or join one kind of civil movement. Where you go there, you go to look change. You go to stay active. You go make sure that your voice is heard. See, politics doesn't just end you in election. You understand? It continues. And your own patrioticness as a Nigerian, you know, will just end for that election period.
Yes.
Now you go take them, make them accountable for everything they do. You go to ask questions. How we go take B? And also if you get ideas, this is when they call, you go to write.
Yes.
You go to write to them.
Yes.
You understand? Social media, you go to tweet, you go to use Facebook for better thing.
You don't finish work on top of this topic. And it's very, very clear. All of us know, say, the present situation now say, this amount, now they set aside to buy motor. Even though Oga President don't talk, say, go use the power when the office get to see, say, he go speak to their conscience, make them calm down. But as you don't talk, it's important make Nigerians begin to participate. No longer we go to talk, say, no be our business, anything when they like, make them do, because it don't involve us. If we talk, say, no be our business, make we remember, say, our children go come, and they go continue from here. Oga Solomon from Chicago, Blessing from Satellite Town, Chukwu de Owerri, Okechukwu Victoria Island, Ayomide from Aja, Igo from Abuja, Chadu from Warri, Joseph from Germany, and Sonny from Agege. We appreciate all of una when call to contribute. Those when try call but the thing no connect, we also appreciate una. And those of una when they watch us for UHF 57, Wazobia Max, and Channel 98 for GoTV, we appreciate una. I'm gonna continue to the watch. I'm gonna spread the word because as the hot na platform when give you the license to talk am, those when matter they watch, then they listen, and then go take the necessary action. Oga Joseph from Germany, bless I skip you. We appreciate. Thank you very, very much. Oga Jame, we go shake your hand. As per say you don't try.
We know say with these few points of yours, or rather with this point of yours, so you don't drop, you've been able to at least convince me and Chukwudi and our Nigerians say yes, say at least we need to at least come together and ensure say we move for this change appropriately. Thank you very much. See, tomorrow we'll come again. Now bye bye.
Now you then convince pass. No, because I will still go back to my first question. Where lies the change?
At least
where lies the change?
If you know, just enjoy the video they want to just watch, make una sharply subscribe to our channel. Not darling.